Good morning, Mr. Miller.
Hello.
Could you please tell us about your personal history?
Of course. I was born in 1950 in Laurinburg, North Carolina. Then in 1972, I graduated Washington and Lee University in Virginia with a degree in economics. After, I was a military intelligence officer overseas, and then I returned to the States where I attended Johns Hopkins University to get my PhD in the study of philosophy.
Wow, very impressive. Then, when comes 1980s, were you part of the trust, Lech Manson Trust Fund?
Yes,
And then you become famous for beating the S&P 500 15 years in a row?
correct.
What's your main philosophy for the investing world?
I often remind our analysts that 100% of the information you have about a company represents the past, and 100% of the stock's valuation depends on the future.
So you believe that you should focus on the future, and most investors focus on the past.
Yes, they tend to look back as they think that now is an all-time low, so they should buy. However, they tend to ignore what the stock prices will be like in the future. This means that they focus more on the companies with short-term economics when they should be focusing on those with long-term economics.
You are a contrarian who believes in long-term in a world of short terms. Haha.
Yes, I guess I am.
What else do you look for when you choose the best company?
Well, I always try to look at what other investors are investing in. However, some of them focus on little details that don't matter. So when I look at them, I think to myself how this company will be in the future. Then I look and see if cheap value or traditional growth companies are low, and if they are, I can consider them. I also try to use future cash flow. Last, I don't believe that you can only have low PE ratios, and I believe in factor diversification, or having both high and low PE ratios. I usually purchase companies like Amazon and Dell because they have various PE ratios and high growth rates.
Thank you for spending time with us, Mr. Miller. Hopefully many of our viewers will learn from your technique and that contribute to your success.
No problem.
Well, thanks, Daryl and Mr. Miller. And now we're to the weather broadcast.
I wanna be a billionaire, so freaking bad. Buy all of the things I never had. I wanna be on the cover